You know, recently at my job I made a mistake. I accidentally deleted some users from our application. It wasn't catastrophic, but at that moment I just froze. I sat there thinking, do I even know what I'm doing? Like, seriously, how did I even get this job? Have I just been faking around all of this time? And if that sounds familiar, congrats, you're officially part of the club, Imposter Syndrome Club. And trust me, every developer feels it at some point. Yes, everybody. Even the ones who talk confidently in meetings, even the one who's always fixing everyone's code, and even the guy who built a startup in college, all of them have probably stared at their screen thinking I'm a fraud, and it's only a matter of time until someone figures it out. No one really knows what they're doing all the time. Some people are just better at hiding it or speaking confidently while they Google. You think your manager has it all figured out? Your senior teammate? That friend who's a coding genius? Nope, they're probably just as confused sometimes, but they've just learned how to deal with it better. A fun fact, even engineers with 10, 15, 20 years of experience still Google how to center a div or copy-paste a regex pattern from Stack Overflow without really understanding it. Experience doesn't magically make you know everything, it just teaches you how to solve problems faster, how to ask better questions, and how to stay calm when things break. Imposter syndrome hits hardest when you think that everyone else knows more than you, but that's just not true. Development is such a huge field that no one can know it all. Front-end, back-end, databases, DevOps, security, cloud, frameworks, design patterns, it's just too much. So yeah, feeling lost sometimes? That's not failure, that's just Tuesday.